Good afternoon to one and all. And I firstly like to thank Director Sir. Yeah, he has done terrific work in the COVID work, and entire community, NIT NITWA club has done terrific things. And I special thanks to Murli Sir, who brought this platform to me, introduced to about this committee. And thanks a lot, sir, that, yeah. And I like to say REC has given a really great platform to me, yeah, to mold myself. And the ragging has helped me, made me so strong. And it's a good, REC gives a brand. It's like a doorway to you. Wherever you go, people respect you. Or that gives a chance to prove yourself. And apart from that, REC has given me best friends, yeah, who are lifelong friends for me. That's unforgettable. Because education with good friends is rich. If you have a good friends, you are the richest person in the world. Because, yeah, that's what. And this whole service, I see so many legends in front of me. I want to introduce myself as an ordinary person. Yeah, I do small things with love. That's all I do. It's like a drop. And there is an entire team who were supporting me to stand all this thing. The basic idea of starting this thing is, from childhood I see when somebody suffers, it always boils my blood. And always I think service means money. If you have XX crores, you can do service. That is the idea I keep on doing. Someday I will crack some crores, then I will start service. But I realize the dream is not going to fulfill any time because that X has no value. X goes on XXX. So I thought, what is that I can give? That is my time. I started with the idea of Monday to Saturday is my time. Sunday I will dedicate to the people, whatever orphanage, whatever skills I have learned, I will dedicate those skills to the orphanage. That's where I started with 2 people. And it's grown up to more than 1,000 people now. So the basic idea, I understand, I never want to start NGO only for transparency because I see everybody want to help someone else because whenever you see somebody suffering, your heart you want to help. But the only thing that stops you is genuinity. You think it might not reach to the right person. That stops everyone. Then I realize the trust factor is missing. And everyone want to contribute to the society. Only thing is their own trust because it will reach to the end person. So I thought my NGO will act like a bridge. We are not going to take any money. I will connect to the needy and the giver together. I will do all the groundwork and make sure the platform will be connected. That's where I started this idea. And I strongly believe because today, if you really think, we can all live peacefully in harmony if we share with each other what we have. Out of greed, we start accumulating. But whatever may be, it might be your old clothes. So many things are unused in our house. If you start sharing those things to other people, it will really benefit everybody. And that is what I see. And I think hardly nowadays the lifespan is 50 to 80. Now it came to 60 or 55, if I'm saying. My idea is simple, and I want to give a small idea. We might live 60 years or something. Every year, if you start helping 2 people at least, okay, when the death knocks your bed, and when you look back what you did, apart from your family, 100 lights will be growing. Yeah, it's like you will be lighting the lights. My idea was simple, every year 1, but it started growing because once you taste that joy of helping someone, dil mange always more. You want to do more. So that was the idea. I think if you can, at least from you start now, at least helping 1 person or 2 person every year, by the time you see you look back, you feel very proud. Even death knocks, you will hug the death because you have that satisfaction with you. You did something for others and people will remember you. That's what I think. And we all come with a reason, but most of don't know for what reason we are here. But I feel at least we die for a reason because I always see before I die, at least my life should impact at least 1 crore of people. Until then, I'm not going to leave from this planet. That is my agenda. So I kept a reason for that. And that's what I keep on doing. So it's like a start on helping and And the common problem I see is our silence. When something is happening, all good people here, all good people keep silence. That silence will give the courage to other person to do more crime. At least all the good people start raising the small voice. The evil will stop doing. Because of our silence of the good people, the world is suffering more, and I want that voice to come out. Don't be silent. When something is happening in front of you, at least raise a voice so that it will calm down. Because so many good people are there and only 10% of the bad people are ruling the entire world. Imagine the power if 90% of the world good people start responding. The world will be a beautiful place to live. And at last, I want to thank, most people say behind every successful man there is a woman. But in my case, it's a different. Because beyond my success is my brother. Yeah, I never thought I will pass 10th. I passed 10th. I never thought I will get into REC because education is something I thought it's not my cup of. Only my brother was beside me, and he always taught me, you have to face the problems. You cannot run away from the problems. So my parents has given the body for me. My brother has given the breath or the what you call the life force in me. And he's such a terrific guy who always gives me the freedom and exposure to do. And I'm always thankful to my brother till my last breath. And that is what I can say he deserves. And today, whatever I'm here, because of him. And the entire team standing here, I really appreciate because I feel it's not easy job to be here. But thanks. And sir, especially the activities after you coming as a director, I see a terrific social activities being done. Especially in COVID time, Director sir was very active and supportive, and the entire team NITWA was doing amazing things. Imagine a small team of NITWA doing such activities. Imagine 30,000 alumni, how much impact we can bring to the world. I want to say, just think about at least yearly one person, if you can help, that will be great. And I take thanks once again, and thanks legends. You have contributed in your own field a lot more, and a lot more to learn from each of you. And just I'm a small being. Yeah, I hope I will reach to the greater heights. Thanks a lot.